Welcome to the Marion County Public Library. Technically speaking, how do I sign up for Hoopla? Hoopla is one of our popular digital library services. We will discuss the specifics of how to use Hoopla in another video, but to be brief, Hoopla is a service that offers streaming and downloads of thousands of items such as movies, television series, e-books, e-audiobooks, music, and comic books. In this video, we will be creating our Hoopla account from a desktop computer. But if you are using a mobile device, smart TV, or tablet, please keep in mind Hoopla has an app and is available across platforms, including the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, Amazon, Chromecast, Apple TV, Android TV, Fire TV, and Roku. To sign up for Hoopla, we will first start at our website, mcpls.org. From here, we will go over to Digital Resources and click on the first option, Downloadable and Streaming. Next, we will click on Hoopla Digital. Alternatively, we can also go straight to hoopladigital.com. Once here, let's click on the blue button that says Get Started Today. Now let's type in our current email address in the email box and then again in the confirm email box. Now let's create a password we will remember that is between 8 and 40 characters in the password box, and then again in the confirm password box. Once you have read through the terms and conditions and privacy policy, click Agree. Next, we will select our library. We can search by library name, city, state, or zip code, or we can choose from the drop-down menu. Here is where we type in our library card number and PIN. Please remember the PIN is usually the last 4 digits of your card number. And that is how to sign up for Hoopla. Please join us next time when we will learn how to browse and borrow items.